Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve some HCPCS Level II practice questions. This is very important for your CPC exam preparation. Let's start with the first question. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Let us see the first question. We'll check the options first. Each option has two codes. So let us check the first code from each option. In option A and D, the code is A6204, and in option B and C, the code is A6252. Let us decide between these two codes. It will be easy to eliminate the wrong options. So check the code A6204. A6204 is for composite dressing, sterile pad size more than 16 square inch but less than or equal to 48 square inches within any size adhesive border each dressing. And the code A6252 is for specialty absorptive dressing, wound cover, sterile pad size more than 16 square inch but less than or equal to 48 square inches without adhesive border each dressing. Now let us read the question. A patient has a home health aide come to his home to clean and dress a burn on his lower leg. The aide uses special absorptive sterile dressing to cover a 20 square inch area. So, in the question, they have given special absorptive dressing, right? Therefore, the appropriate code will be A6252, not A6204, because A6204 is for composite dressing. It is not for special absorptive dressing. Therefore, we'll eliminate option A and D, because if one code is wrong, the entire option will be wrong. Now we are left with option B and option C. We'll check the second codes, that is A6403 and A6219. The code A6403 is for gauze non-impregnated, sterile pad size more than 16 square inch, less than or equal to 48 square inch without adhesive border each dressing. Check the code A6219. A6219 is for gauze non-impregnated, sterile pad size 16 square inch or less with any adhesive border each dressing. Now let us read the question. They have given, she also covers 15 square inch area with self-adhesive sterile gauze pad. They have given 15 square inch area. Therefore, we have to use the code A6219, which is for pad size 16 square inch or less. Okay. The right answer is option C. Let us move on to the next question. Let us check the options first. Check option A, Q4009. Q4009 is for cast supplies, short arm cast, adult, 11 years plus, plaster. Check option B, Q4012. It is for cast supplies, short arm cast, pediatric, 0 to 10 years, fiberglass. And option C, Q4022 is for cast supplies, short arm splint, adult, 11 years plus, fiberglass. And option D, Q4010. It is for cast supplies, short arm cast, adult, 11 years plus, fiberglass. Now let us read the question. A 12-year-old arrives in his pediatrician's office after colliding with another player during a soccer game. He is complaining of pain in his right wrist. The physician orders an X-ray and diagnoses him with the hairline fracture of the distal radius. He has short arm fiberglass cast applied and discharges him with follow-up instructions. So here there is short arm fiberglass cast applied. So, which among these four codes is correct? The correct code is Q4010, which is for cast supplies, short arm cast, adult, 11 years plus, fiber glass. In the question, they have given 12-year-old and he has a short arm fiberglass cast. So, it is exactly matching with Q4010. Option C, Q4022 is wrong because it is for short arm splint. In the question, they have not given short arm splint. They have given short arm fiberglass cast. So option C is wrong and option B, Q4012. It is short arm cast fiberglass, but it is for 0 to 10 years. In the question, the patient is 12-year-old, so we cannot use Q4012. Now, option A, Q4009 will be wrong because it is for short arm cast adult plaster. But in the question, they have given fiberglass, not plaster. Therefore, we'll eliminate option A also. The right answer is option B. Next question. A patient with diabetes is fitted for custom molded shoes. What is the correct code range for such a fitting? The code range L3201 starts from orthopedic shoes. Okay, it is not for custom molded shoes. Therefore, option A will be wrong. Now check option B, code range A5500. Above the code A5500, you can see diabetic footwear. Therefore, this is the correct answer. The right answer is option B. Okay. When you see questions like this, you have to go to the code range and check the above title. Let us check option C also. K0001. K0001 is for wheelchairs, components and accessories. So that is also wrong. In the question they have given, a patient with diabetes is fitted for custom molded shoes. Now let us check option D. E0100. E0100 is for walking aids and attachments. So that is also not matching with the question. The right answer is option B. Next question. CPT and HCPCS Level II codes are updated by CMS manually. Option A true or option B false. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B false, because CPT codes are maintained and updated by AMA, that is American Medical Association. It is not maintained and updated by CMS. Okay, make a note of this. This is very important. And HCPCS Level II codes are maintained and updated by CMS, that is Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Next question. A patient with diabetes receives a supply of 100 blood glucose test strips. Which HCPCS code should be used? Let us check the options. Check option A, A4250. A4250 is for urine test or reagent strips or tablets, 100 tablets or strips. But in the question, they're asking for blood glucose test strips, not urine test or reagent strips. Therefore, eliminate option A. Coming to option B, A4253, it is for blood glucose test or reagent strips for home blood glucose monitor per 50 strips. In the question also they have given blood glucose test strips, but they have given 100 blood glucose test strips. But the code A4253 is for per 50 strips. Since the patient in the question receives 100 strips, we will code A4253 twice, because each unit is equal to 50 strips. The right answer will be option B. Option C, A4256 is for normal low and high calibrator solution or chips. That is wrong. And A4259 is for lancets per box of 100. That is also wrong. The right answer is option B. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to practice more questions related to HCPCS, then please check the playlist in my channel, CPC Exam HCPCS Level 2. The link will also be mentioned in the description.